Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
In the third year of the Hijrah, the Prophet of Islam got the news that some enemies of Islam are hiding in a place under the leadership of a man called Dazul. They intend to plunder Medina and its surroundings. The Prophet of Islam left Medina with 450 people to fight with them.
Muhammad is coming to fight with a large number. What should we do? Fight with them or hide? War with Muhammad is not good for us. Tell everyone to get ready to leave. Get out of here as soon as you can.
Dazul and his friends hid in the nearby mountains in fear. They hid there and waited for the opportunity. On this occasion, no one was able to escape. Those who tried were taken as prisoners by Prophet's army. The Prophet invited him to Islam and they converted to Islam. Suddenly clouds covered the sky and heavy rain started falling. The army of the Prophet got completely soaked in this rain. After a while the rain stopped. The Muslim army spread in the field and everyone was busy with their work. The Messenger of God was also resting. Dazul, who was hiding, saw the Prophet resting.
Look, Muhammad is sleeping under this tree and no one is near him. This is a good opportunity. What are you saying? Muhammad's companions are scattered around him. It is impossible to let anyone get there. They will not be able to move from their place and I will finish him.
Deruz descended from the mountain like a thief and reached the head of the Prophet with sword and said arrogantly,
"O Muhammad, who will save you from my evil?"
The Prophet said,
Allah.
God? I don't see anyone here. Call him and he will come to your aid.
At that moment, Jibreel descended from the sky, hitting him hard on the chest, and the sword slipped from his hand. The Holy Prophet picked up his sword and stood on his head and said,
Now tell me, who will protect you?
None, other than what you are talking about. Other than that, no one can say, I believe that you are the messenger of God.
Deruz recited Shahadat and became a Muslim. He went to his tribe and invited him to Islam. The Prophet of Islam later returned to Medina.